Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Rich from the Rich Maxwell channel. You are joining us on Bike Park Wales Day. We're in the truck, we're packed up, we're just leaving Bike Park Lodge and we're going to hit some trails at Bike Park Wales. We're hoping to explore all the red trails, all the black trails, and maybe hit the purple pro lines today, as we are expert mountain bikers. But we'll see what happens. I've got an injured wrist, so it might turn out that I have to stick to some of the lower grade trails today, unusually for me. But yeah, if you only see blue trails, that's the reason. It's just because I've got a bad wrist, not because I'm not capable of doing expert lines. So, gonna be an exciting day. I can't wait. So let's get to it. Quick update: we're on the journey, but it looks like it's going to rain between 11 and 2 today. So that might really affect our biking performance. We're hoping we get lucky and it doesn't rain, but unfortunately, it is saying 80% chance of rain. So not good. So here we are, we're at Bike Park Wales. We've got to go firstly do our checking in to I guess make sure we've signed our waivers and that we're all set for mountain biking and we know what we're doing. Of course we do. But yeah, we're going to check in and then get the bikes out and we're going to hit some trails.
So in these clips I'm just going to show you a bit of the riding here at Bike Park Wales. Not going to show you the full runs because I'm going to do some follow-up videos just showing specific runs here at Bike Park Wales, but this should give you an overall flavour of what we hit and how much fun we had.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing.
We just had to switch a wheel out. Now we're just having to check the gears because it's quite a different wheel, this one, a different sort of hub. So things are just not aligning nicely.
I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored of killing me?
So everyone, that is our first half of Bike Park Wales trails done.
It's nearly home time.
We've just had lunch. It's about 2 o'clock now, so we've got a couple of hours left in us. We're going to smash some good lines now. We're going to hit ACDC again. We did it once, but we think we can do better, and I actually forgot to press record on the GoPro, so we definitely need to do it again. And I need to show you all how we send those big jumps and big drops. Say something to the Rich Maxwell channel viewers if you want.
Oh yeah. Shredding out here, Bike Park Wales, living the dream.
Calling it a day here at Bike Park Wales. We've had a great day. None of us have got too badly hurt. One or two minor little dinks and knocks and things. A wheel, rear wheel, pretty much written off. But yeah, all good. So would I recommend Bike Park Wales? Abso-friggin-lutely. It's awesome. It's got something for everyone. You've got technical downhill. You've got smooth dirt jumps with big air where you can really flip the back end out and do whatever you want to do on the dirt jumps. And yeah, overall, great day. Great people I'm with here. Awesome guys. Michael Froh is about to drive me back to Birmingham now, so he's just a ledge, picked me up from my house. So yeah, fantastic day. Join me again soon for more from the Rich Maxwell channel. More mountain biking, more awesomeness. Bye for now.